Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am to decorate for the week of August 28th through to September 3rd. And I'm actually decorating this on the Monday because I was away all weekend and had no time, which was okay. I didn't want to stress myself out, so I'm like, it's okay to film this on the Monday. The world is not going to end. So I am using actually another sticker sheet from the Giving Girl, and this is her patisserie sticker sheet. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love the purples in it and like the little pinks and browns in there. So I'm going to be using 2 pens for this week. I've got my Leonardo Momento Zero Grande 2.0, which has, which one does this have? Colorverse Alpha Sagittarius. And then I'm going to be using my F3 pens, which has Birmingham Pen Co. Milkweed in that. Let's get started. Alrighty, so I'm going to put down some of this washi because it's just so pretty. Oof, let's take off the acupuncture appointment here. Although I might have to cancel that because when I made that, I thought that the kids would be starting school this week. They don't start until next Tuesday, so after the long weekend. And I'm kind of glad actually, because otherwise I would be a bit of a stress ball this week. So it does work out that they're starting a little later to give me some peace of mind. Meals, so this one's gonna go here. All right, already I really like the look of that. I feel like it just needs one more piece down here. There we go. And then I can add probably a girl here in this corner looking off somewhere like outside of the journal. Then this one can go here. Whoop, here. Yep. And then this one can go here or here. I like that. Then there's so many other little stickers which I think I could dot all around the top here. But look at how cute these are. Like little cakes and croissants. Oh my gosh, I just came back from San Francisco, and one of the things or the places that I had to go while I was in San Francisco was Tartine, which was featured on Somebody Feed Phil. And if I'm ever traveling to a place that he's been to, you know that I'm going to be researching some of the places that he's eaten at, and I'm a big pastry lover. So I went to Tartine, took an Uber there from the hotel that I was staying at, which was closer to the airport. So it was about a 25-minute Uber drive to Tartine. And I bought myself 4 different things. So I bought a ham and cheese croissant, which I had for lunch, which was delicious. Then I bought a pain au chocolat, or as my daughter says, pain au chocolat, then which I had for breakfast on Saturday morning. And then I bought a lemon cream tart, which I had half of that last night and it was gorgeous. And then I bought a lemon meringue cake, which is one of my favorite desserts in the world. And it was turned into a cake. Oh my gosh, delicious. If you guys have seen my Instagram stories, then you will have seen me eat all of that. And it was scrumptious. What is it? Elisa of Inky Rocks replied to me, that looks like sin. I'm like, yep. Not denying that at all. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is just looking through my other stickers because I have some that match. This is from Happy Mail, so this is gonna match perfectly. There we go. So finding my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen, I'm going to brush letter in the word sleep. And I've been better about keeping track of my sleep. I mean, look at that week, it's all done. How often does that happen that I can show you my sleep graph and it is actually filled out? And last week was kind of up and down for my sleep. It's normally not great the week leading up to vacation. But last week wasn't too bad. I mean, there were a few days that were in the 70s, but most of it was actually pretty good. Considering Saturday night, or the sleep between Friday and Saturday was not great because I drank a little bit too much. But anyway, this pen I met up with a few people and saw crap, that's not what I wanted to do. Hold on. I'm not writing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm writing, let's see if I can white that out, or at least white out. I got so distracted. I was so excited to tell you what happened on the Saturday night, or the Friday night. Friday was a very, very long day since I had been up since about 3 in the morning. Oops, just blot that myself. And then I ended up having drinks with Corolla and a few other people in the hotel bar, and it was a very good night. Had a few too many drinks and spent most of Saturday walking through the pen show with a bit of a hangover. And when I told Drew Brown of Goulet Pens that, he was like, I love the honesty. I'm like, you know, I'm sure somebody else relates to me. So I'm going in here, workout. But yeah, I had a fantastic weekend at that show. At the pen show, I was terrified in the lead up to the show. And once I was there, I was actually really glad that I went in the end. I found it really easy to talk to vendors, to go up to certain people and start talking to them. And I really had a great time. Really, really had a great time. So now that I'm done that, I'm just gonna write meals down at the bottom here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and write in the word work and draw in my work shifts for the week. All right, so now let's get into the day today. Because it's already Monday, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I've already gone I've done the orders and gone to the post office. I do have to film the cousin, which I'm doing. I have to fold laundry tonight. And I have to meal plan and order groceries. And then tomorrow I have to head over to the bank during my lunch hour and do a deposit. The bank. Then in the evening, my husband will put out the garbage. Oh gosh, this nib is so smooth now that I had Kirk from Pen Realm tune and smooth it. Gorgeous. Let me find my garbage. Whoops. Whoa. Okay. All the stickers that I use regularly just fell out. So convenient. There we go. Then Wednesday, there is actually an important appointment. Henry has an appointment with an orthodontist, actually. And then, so we have that. Thursday, my husband will pick up groceries at our usual time. There we go. And that day, I also have to pack. Oh, wrong pen. That was close. pick up groceries. Oh gosh, this is so smooth. And then that evening we have to pack. Do I have a, no I don't. Yeah, so we are going to the mountains, which I'm very excited about. Where is it? Oh, yes, we are driving to the mountains, and I try to get away to the mountains at least once every summer because I love hiking through the mountains, and I wish they were closer. They're about a 4-hour drive from here. So I need to pack. Not again. So I'll pack Henry's clothes. Robin pretty much knows what she's packing. I don't need to pack for her. Isn't there a suitcase month there? So these are from Paper Bits Co., which are cute, and I've used all the suitcase ones. And then, yeah, that acupuncture appointment, I think I'm gonna cancel because I will have both my kids with me. And then their physical is at 10:30. I'll put it in there for now because I still have the rest of the week if I need to cancel it. So, 9 o'clock. Acupuncture. I'm always wondering if I could fit this whole thing in there. Okay, and then 10:30 the kids' physicals. And then in the afternoon is when we're meant to drive off. Although, I mean, that my car does not look like that, so that is not feasible whatsoever. I will use, let's see, which face do you think I'm gonna make on the way out of town? These look angry. Let's use the happy one. Yeah, let's use the happy one. Oh, there we go, road trip. So let's use this one. And it's, yeah, we're probably gonna pick my husband up from work, leave for oh crap, I used the wrong pen. Oh well, that's okay. I won't put anything else in these two because we're gone, so I will leave that as is. So now, because I have basically put everything functional that I've needed to put down, that gives me a bit more flexibility in terms of being able to decorate. And then I just realized, now that I've done this, I could have used more of these stickers, but I did not because I decided to just go with the pen and ink combination. That works well. Then let's see, so let's do some decorating. I know that there's some filming that I do have to do that afternoon. Okay, so I'm gonna film, but I know I'll probably have to film on another day too. There's a few things I have to film, like there's the progress report, so I have to film the progress report because that's supposed to go out that day. I have to do the weeks or the ink haul. I haven't decided yet. Probably the ink haul and then the cousin. Oh yeah, there'll be enough time for that. And if you are interested in my ink haul, this is what I have to swatch. There's about maybe like 5 or 6 in here that I don't have to swatch because I have them already. And some of these are just duplicates or more. Pam of Old Lady with a Camera gave me all of these at the San Francisco Pen Show, and she gave me a lot more of barley, milkweed, and cherry blossom. And then one of them that she gave me, the Organic Studio Walden Pond, I used to have a bottle of it and actually gave it away because it wasn't for me, but she gave me a full sample of that. So thank you. All right. Oh, yes. Finish the decorating, Karina. Or I could use this in a daily spread. The daily spread, yeah, I could use this in a daily spread. I could. Or I could just dot these around. Or just add them as the week goes on. I could do that. Or maybe just add some here. And like, what am I gonna do with a big fork? I feel like if I put it near the girl here in the corner, it's a little like Little Mermaid combing her hair. But this lamp post is beautiful. I really like that one. Oh, they're so delicate, these stickers. And I can put that one right here. Okay, you know what? I'm probably gonna use all of these before the day is done. So let's just go ahead and put these down here. Oh, that's cute. All right, and then a few more around the spread. And I don't mind covering up those blank spaces during my working hours because I have a different work planner. So it's nice to be able to fill up the space with something else, actually. And then, let's see. More cake. Oh, and then these little ones. Yeah, these little ones are cute. So, oh, that's cute. Oh, come on. Yes. And I also love being able to finish a whole sticker sheet. And the Giving Girls journaling stickers are very easy to use to like in a whole week or over 2 pages, and it doesn't overload the spread. I think it's just the right amount of decorative stickers for, you know, you could use this in a B6 and it would still not, it wouldn't look crowded. Oh, look, so satisfying. All right. Ooh, okay, so that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'm doing my outro while I'm cleaning up. Okay. Thanks again so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.